My name is Mike P. Reeder. I'm the VP of Engineering here at Precision Plus, and I've been with the organization since 2016 when I graduated from the Milwaukee School of Engineering from their mechanical engineering program. But I've been around the organization since as far back as I can remember, which is about 2000-2001 era.
I'm Isaac Taylor, and I'm an engineering technician here at Precision Plus. I've been with the company for about 5 years now, since 2017 when I started as a YA, and I've been enjoying it ever since. I would say Precision Plus's engineering department is very diversified. We have people with engineering degrees that have been in the industry working as engineers for their whole professional careers. We have people who are fresh out of college, and we have people like myself who are just getting their feet wet in the professional field, don't have very much experience, but have a passion for improvement, a passion for making things better, making things more robust.
The main purpose of the engineering department here at Precision Plus is to look for bigger and better every single day in everything we do. That could be from what happens inside the machine tools that we utilize to manufacture all the different kinds of components, or it could be what happens with that component after it comes out of the machine tool. Those systems could be inspection, part handling, secondary operations. The engineering department is tasked with making the best out of the machine tool and making the best out of the process after that part comes out of the machine tool.
Precision Plus is always looking for excellence in all that we do. We're always looking for 1 second faster on a cycle time, or a better surface finish. We're looking for a more robust process.
To be successful in the engineering department, you need to have creativity. You need to have creativity, passion, and drive. And having a diverse group from a lot of different backgrounds, younger, older, different educational upbringings, hands-on, more in school, all those different upbringings really allow us to work well together because we each specialize in a different aspect of the process, and that ultimately helps us build a stronger, more robust process to try and give us that competitive edge.